Okay guys, I'm at the tracks right now and I'm gonna see if I can catch a train. So far, walking down here, I didn't hear nothing. And that one day I caught 3 trains in one day on Memorial Day. That's the last time I caught a train, I think. There were 3 trains on Memorial Day. And this one sounds like it's making noise. You may get lucky. The train just sitting here. But I don't know if that's... We're gonna find out though if we're gonna catch anything. Okay, so let's sit here. See if trains, anything coming. Hope today's my lucky day, folks. So let's just wait, guys. Here's the railroad tracks. Let me see if there's anything, if I can see anything coming. So far I don't. Please give me a train. I don't see anything. This thing, let's zoom here, just sitting here. So we'll see if we get something, yay. If we don't, I'm not gonna be happy. I'll keep you guys posted though. So yeah, I'm gonna shut this off for now. If I see something coming, I'll turn it back on.